Hey everyone, Vinnie with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com here. For over 16 years, I've helped more than 7,000 businesses make their work faster and easier and simpler using some of our Excel tools. My Excel tools I've been building over the years. We've been working with all kinds of companies, from logistics teams to consultants to retailers, and helping them cut down on manual work, save times, and really get a lot more done, all without leaving Excel. Today I want to show you how one energy efficiency consulting firm based in Richmond, Vermont, made their fieldwork so much easier using our Excel driving distance calculator. So the company works with farms and small businesses in different states, a lot of rural areas, and helps them save energy and operate more efficiently. Their consultants spend a lot of their time traveling, visiting several farms and facilities every day. Before they found our tools, keeping track of the driving distance and their daily trip was really a big headache for them. They had to track down, write down all of their addresses, keep track of them, and look them up in Excel or in Google Maps and calculate each route one by one and then copy those results into their reports. It was very frustrating and easy to make mistakes. And that really all changed for them when they started using our Excel driving distance calculator. Now, because they're using our tool, everything they need to do as far as calculating their trips and their distances resides all inside Excel. There is no switching programs and no copying and pasting. And let me kind of show you how exactly the tool is used and how they're using it. So they start by opening the Excel file that they download from our website and entering the list of starting and ending addresses. In this case, it's their office in Richmond, Vermont, and the first column, and they kind of paste that across all the first column. And then on the second column, they got all the different farms they're going to visit in the next little while across New Hampshire and New York. Put all those into the to destination in the other column. When that's done, all they got to do is simply click calculate, and within seconds Excel, as you can see, starts filling the exact driving distance and travel time for each one of their trips, each one of their stops. And you can actually watch, it's kind of cool to watch the results appear right inside Excel as the data processes. There is no switching tabs, no manual typing, just fast, accurate data ready to use for reports or for scheduling or anything they need. And it works for one address or 100 addresses at a time. And the best part is that it's extremely fast, takes seconds. And you see those results appear right inside Excel as it calculates. And again, no copying, pasting, no manual typing, no more guessing. Because it uses real data or real results from Google Maps, those results will always be accurate and up to date. And since everything runs inside Excel, they can keep their mileage data right next to their report or their expense sheets, right? And we're proud to have earned over 143 so far as of this recording 5-star reviews on Google. So our users love how much time they save and how easy it is for our tools to be used. Most people tell us they're up and running in just a matter of minutes, and there is really no learning curve. And our Excel tools are designed to be very simple, very powerful, affordable. And there's nothing to install. Everything works within the Excel file. And you also, on top of that, you'll get world-class customer service, no AI, no bots. If you've got any questions, just go to the website, call me, or chat with me, and I'll be more than happy to help. Best of all, the tool comes with a one-time purchase only, no subscriptions or monthly fees. So if your team spends hours planning trips and tracking mileage, then the Excel driving distance calculator can make your life a whole lot easier. You can download it from the link in the description of this video, or contact me directly, Vinnie, by phone, email, live chat, right on our website, ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. Also, I can help you if you need to build a custom tool, built just exactly for your business and for your process. So if this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. So don't miss our next notification with time-saving Excel tools. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you to the next one.